Hey guys, this is the conversions slide. Just a little bit of stuff. If you've ever taken chemistry in high school, you probably know exactly what we're going to do. Um, the thing we're going to look at right here is says conversions using the train method. I call it the train method because each part of this is like a box car. 50 kilometers over 1 hours, and then the time is like the coupler of the box car. All right, so the first question I said convert 50 kilometers per hour to meters per second. Now, in order to do this, you have to use the front of your textbook. On the front of your textbook, you have conversions, and there's a bunch of different things listed there. So make sure you have that available to you. Okay. So, for instance, 50 kilometers per hour, we write 50 kilometers over 1 hour, and then times. Now, first thing we want to do is I look at the kilometers and I want to get rid of kilometers and I want to make them meters. So the way I have to do is I put kilometers down here, I put meters on the top, and I say how many meters are in a kilometer. And there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So I write 1,000 over 1. And the kilometers and kilometers cancel. And now I'm left with meters per hour. So now I have to get rid of hours. So I put the hour on top and I put seconds on the bottom. And I say how many hours in so many, and how many seconds in how many hours. And there's 3,600 seconds in an hour. So you got 60 minutes times 60 seconds is 3,600. Okay. And then you multiply the whole top and you multiply the whole bottom and then divide your answers. And you end up getting 13.89 meters per second. So this is how I do my conversions. It's always works for me. It seems very easy. Okay, so let's say the next one here. The next one is 6 inches per year to centimeters per hour. So I got a lot of different things going on here. So the first thing I do is I write down the 6 inches over 1 year, right? And I want to get to centimeters per hour. So I look at the inches and I want to convert from inches into centimeters. So I have inches on the top. So then I put inches on the bottom, and then I put centimeters on the top, and then inches on the bottom here. I look at my book, and in the book it says 2.54 centimeters are in 1 inch. So I write that out. I can cancel my inches. And then the next thing we got to get rid of is 1 year. All right, so in 1 year is 365 and a quarter days. Why is it a quarter? Leap year. Okay. So we get the year becomes a day, but we want hour. So then we put day on the top, and there's 24 hours in a day. Multiply the top, multiply the bottom, divide, and you're getting 0.00174 centimeters per hour. All right, so that's might be like the growth of a plant or something like that. All right, this one I want you to try on your own. It's 245 millimeters per second to yards per hour. I want you to go through it. I want you to do a train, and I want you to do it and see if you can get 964.57 yards per hour. That's the answer. I want you to do it. See if you can get it. All right, try it a couple times. If you can't, all right, message me. I can maybe help you out, or tutor. All right, okay. Well, make sure you do it.